Hello guys, I'm Ace Mirxa from Programming Master, and today it will be our fifth class of learning Adobe Photoshop. So before go to the lobby Photoshop screen, let me go to my channel. And guys, this is my channel Programming Masters. So if you like this video that I will create, please subscribe my channel and like my videos and comment them as well. Okay, so please support me guys, I need your support. And after that, let me go to the Photoshop screen again. Okay, guys. So here we have a picture with a sky, with a ground and a car. Okay. So let's suppose. Our today's agenda is crop tool. What is the use of crop tool? Actually, now in these days you have the smartphone, right? So in the smartphone you will take a picture, and sometimes you need to discard some of the area, and you need to select only a particular area. Then you will go with the this crop tool. Okay, so now you can see if I will select this crop tool, now you are able to see there are some kind of transforms options are there. Okay, if I will select this transform, and now I want to select this car. Sorry, 1 minute. I want to select this car. Okay, now I want to select this car. If I will click on the enter, or I will click on this tick button, then what it will be do, it will crop our screen and other area will be discarded. So this is a usage of the crop tool. Actually this is a very simple tool. It is not a any kind of like rocket science is there. So this is a very simple or simple tool, but we need to learn about this very thoroughly. Okay, so now there are some kind of proportions are there. This is the wh, this is our original ratio, this is a 101 square. Actually 101 101 square we will use whenever we want to upload some kind of our DP in the Instagram or at WhatsApp or something, or somewhere on the social channels, social medias, social media platform, then we will go with this one of one scare. Okay, so if I will select this one, this will be in the 101 ratio only. So if I will click on the click on the tick button, then it will crop only this area. But here you are able to see this is a first ration, this is for the second one. Okay, so this is 1 of 1 square. If I will go with the 2 or 2, then it will go with the 2 or 2 squares, 2 or 2 ratio. Okay, so guys, this is a square ratio. 1 minute. Okay, so let me go to the original ratio. You, it will be in the particular respective proportion. Okay, it will be in the particular respective options, as you can see. So if you want to select the car with the original ratio, then it will be in the particular ratio, or what it will be with the w width and height resolution. Let's suppose I don't want to go with the proportion, I want to go with the some kind of width and height. Okay, I want this width and I want this height, then we will go with the width and height resolution. So these are our proportions. Okay, right now I want to go, I did many of the changes, like I did multiple of the steps in our image, and right now this is our background image. Okay, so what I need to do, I want to revert it back. If I will click on the control Z, let's suppose there are some there are 50 control Z right now, or undo right now. Let's suppose my changes are behind 50 undo. So what I need to do, I will go with the file, and there is a revert option. If I will click on this revert option, then all of the changes till our last checkpoint or last save, it will be reverted. As you can see, the image open in the image recently open, as you can see, it will be like this only. So these are our resolution, you can say ratios. Okay, so actually this is, there is a now a straighten line. Actually this is a very helpful property of this tool. If I will click this straighten, and right now this is a horizon. Okay, this is a horizon, and this is our ground, or you can say our mountains. Let's suppose uh, I want to keep it in a straight line. So what I need to do, I will select this crop tool and this straighten button, and then I will drag the line with the horizon. If I will, as you can see now, if I left this if I sorry left my button of this mouse, then automatically Photoshop cropped this image like this in a straight line. Okay, so other area will be discarded. If you need this one, then I will click on the enter and it will be cropped, or on this tick button. Now you are able to see it will be cropped only. Okay, actually there is one thing I need to tell you about. If you will select on the crop tool, and if you want to select this car, and there will be a delete cropped pixels. What will be the delete cropped pixel? Let's suppose if I will click on the enter after the selection, if I will click on the enter or this tick button, then it will crop the image, but it will not discard the other area. Like, it will be discarded but not deleted till if it will be in the JPEG, or if it in the PNG, then it will be definitely it will be removed. But in the your PSD file, it will be there. Okay, so how it will be there? I will click on this. As you can see now, our discarded area is back. Okay, so this is the usage of uncheck of the delete crop pixel. Now, if let's suppose I will click on the this check button, and now I want to crop this image. If I will click on the enter, then our outer area will be discarded or will be deleted permanently. If I will click on this button, enter button, now you are able to see. If I want to move, if I want to drag outside, then there is a transparent background. Okay, so our other or outer area has been deleted, our discarded area has been deleted. So I don't want this one. So what I will do, I will go again go to the control, and 1 minute, let me click on this enter, and then I will go to there, and then I will click on the revert. All of the changes has been reverted. Let me go to the straighten again and straighten again, and this will be like this. Okay, so right now I want my image like this. So now actually these are our grades: the rule of thirds, the grade, diagonal or triangle, sorry, golden ratio and golden spiral. Okay, rule of third. What will be the rule of third? Let me select this one, and if I will select our image, let's suppose if you did some of the changes and you want to select the image again, then you need to click on the crop tool, and then you need to drag the your cursor in the whole image. Okay, so now your again your transforms has been active. Okay, so what I need to do, if I will select, go to this one. Okay, let's this one. Okay, so now you are able to see there are three columns: one column, two column, three column, and with three rows, one row, two row, and three row. If okay, so these are the where it is joining. These are our focal points. So actually, the thing or your object need to be put in here, so it will be good. If actually this is the rule of a photography. If you are taking any kind of image or a picture with you are using any kind of photography, then what you will do, you need to put that object into these focal points. So what it will do, if I will click on the uh, tick button, then you will be able to right now it is some kind of like it is some kind of good vibes are coming from it. Okay, so in the center it is fine, but in the third, in the rule of third, it is also fine. So there are some kind of grades. If you want to work with the grade, then it is there is a grade. 1 minute, let me select this one again. You're able to see there are the grades. And if you want to go with the diagonal, then there is a diagonal. If you go with the triangle, then there is a triangle. If you go with the golden ratio, now golden ratio is also there in the CC. So if you are go with the golden ratio, then it is there. If you are go with the golden spiral, then it is there. If let's suppose I'm going with this one, and my subject my object is in it, in this spiral. If I will click on the tick, or if I will click on the enter, then you are able to see this is how my image is look like. So is it fine? It is fine. It is fine as compared to this whole image. Okay, so rule of thirds. So these are our grades. So actually I will not go with the some kind of detail with it. You can use, and then you will get the idea. Straighten is done. And now delete crop pixels, you already know. Okay, so there is a content aware. Let's suppose I selected this whole image. Let's suppose I've selected this whole image. Control minus Okay, so now what I need to do, if I will drag this image, let's suppose you are not bound, like you need to put, you need to stay in your image. If you want to increase your canvas size, then you will select simply this transform, and then you can drag it to the outside of this image. If I will select this one, then you are able to see now there is a white image is there. Let's suppose if okay, what I will do for this white space, right? Because my image is here, and I cannot put anything like this because it will be it will destroy my image. So what I need to do, let me control C again, and now I will click on this context aware. Actually this is, you can say this is AIO for Photoshop. uh, Actually you can see this is a this is a AIO for Photoshop. Okay, so what it will do, actually it will get the it will get the exact idea of the surrounded pixels of the colors, and then it will fill by itself. Actually Photoshop will try, definitely it will not be very good result, but so sometime it will be very beneficial. Now if I want to, if I will, I will not drag it too much outside. I will drag it only this one, this much. And now if I will click on the just beware, like if you will not click on this context aware, then what, nothing will happen. Just need to click on this context aware check, and then after I will click on the enter button, then you will be able to see. Sorry, actually there is some kind of memory error issue. This much is fine, I think, because actually some kind of memory error is coming. So I will resolve this after that. So now you will be able to see some progress bar will run, and after that, now you can see control plus, let me zoom in the image. Now you will be able to see some of the sky has been created by the Photoshop by itself. Okay, so if you want to increase your canvas size, sorry, 1 minute. Okay, if you want to increase your canvas size, then what you will do, you can easily drag your canvas with the crop tool, and then you need to click on the context aware, and then definitely for AI of the Photoshop will try to cover these um uh, dragged area uh, with the possible pixels of of the colors. Okay, so there will be some kind of drawback, but right now there is no any, as you can see. You can say, oh, this is the actual one, this is the original one. But if we will drag this too much outside of this image, and do you want to go with the context aware, then definitely some of kind of repetitions will be there. Okay, so this is usage of the context aware. So right now, so here is another tool, perspective crop tool. But here it will be the usage of perspective crop tool. Let's suppose you have an application in your smartphone. Okay, like cam scanner, or any other scanner application in your smartphone, and then you want to take a scan from of a book from that application, and definitely it will be some kind of in this result. 1 minute, let me show you. Actually I'm using unsplash.com website for this high resolution images. Actually I already told you, but just keep it in the mind. Okay, so now if you will definitely if you will scan your book, then it will come like this only. Okay, so what if I need to do it in the straight line, then what I will do, I will go with the perspective crop tool. I will select from here, and then here, and then here, and then here. If I will click on the enter, then you will be able to see now it will be converted in the straight line, or sorry, straight page. Not like this, it will not like this anymore. Okay, so clear with the clear, you can clear these with width or height or resolution pixels. So actually this is the usage of our perspective tools. So guys, Actually, this is our little or short class of our crop tool in the Adobe Photoshop. So guys, I hope you got the idea of this crop tool. Actually, I tried my best to tell you about this tool in Adobe Photoshop. So guys, if you like my videos or you got any idea of this crop tool, then please don't be shy and subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thank you guys. We will meet in the next session of this class. Thank you guys. Bye.